After following all of these steps that you are ready to start your business, then what are you waiting for, sis? Start your business. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle Yancy and this is the Miss Yancy Network, because your network is your net worth. This channel is for all entrepreneurs, girl bosses, naturalistas, or anyone that is interested in beauty, business building, natural skincare, and vlogs. Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to decide if you should start a business, how to decide whether or not starting a business is right for you. Today we'll be covering 5 steps to decide whether or not starting a business is right for you at this moment of your life, and if this is the right direction that you should take. The first step into deciding whether or not you should start a business is pray, guys. Prayer works wonders. You need to pray about if you're contemplating whether or not you wanted to start a business, or if this is the right field for you. You need to pray about it. You need to ask God, is this the right direction for me? Is this the type of field that I need to get into? Is it worthy of me? Is this my purpose? Finding your purpose is really what prayer does for you, and prayer help you clear your vision. So just asking God to clear your vision and give you that opportunity to decide whether or not starting a business is good for you, or starting this specific type of business that you want to start, if that is the right move to make. So go to God in prayer, ask him specifically those questions, ask God to give you direction, ask him to clear your mind, to clear your heart. The second thing into deciding whether or not you should start a business is your why. Why are you starting this business? What is the purpose that this business has in your life? Are you doing it for money, or are you doing it for passion? Are you doing it just as a side hustle? Is this something to bring you extra income? Or figuring out what your why is and tying that into praying to God and asking him for direction. Thinking about why you're doing it is going to get you back into helping your business. If this is a passion-focused business that you're starting, you figuring out your why is really going to help you out, because whenever you are struggling or you're in a place where you're down, your why is going to center your focus. Okay, I know I said that like a million times. The third step into figuring out whether or not you should start a business is stability. Are you stable enough to start this business? Do you have the finances and the resources that you need to start your business? Are you still in school? Are you a student? Are you still living at home? Do you have your own apartment? Do you have children? Do you have a family? The present state that you're in right now. Are you capable of starting a business where some of your finances has to go into? All of those are questions that you need to ask yourself about stability. Like, am I stable enough? Do I have some income to start this off? Do I have some income for all of the materials that I'm going to need? So those are the things you have to do research about and figuring out whether or not you will have access to those resources. Before we get to the next step, have you guys subscribed to my channel yet? Well, if you haven't, this is your chance right now. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, okay? Hit that subscribe button, sis. Hit that subscribe button. Back to the video. Step into figuring out whether or not you should start a business is your support system. Do you have support? Figuring out where will your support be coming from. When you first start this business, the people that are going to finance your business or show you support a lot of the times is your family and your close friends. Make sure that you have some type of support. And if you do not have family or friends that are showing you your support, do you have groups that you can join? Do you have a mentor you can follow? Do you have people that are going to have your back? Do you have people that are there for you? Do you have people that can help you out in the initial stages? You need all of those things into figuring out whether or not you should start a business. The fifth and final thing into deciding if you should start a business or not is time and consistency. There are actually 2 words here, but they both tie in together. And if you do not have time, how can you be consistent? You have to be able to make time for this business. If you're not consistent with what you're doing, it is not going to succeed. Consistency is everything. Don't get me wrong, I'm not the best role model here for consistency, but I make sure that every single day it is my goal to be consistent in the things that I set for myself and the things that I say. This practicing consistency is really going to be what the game changer is in your business. If you are somebody right now where you could say, like, you know what, I have too much going on in my life right now, I really do not have time to be consistent with this business, then this might not be the right time for you to start a business, because you do not want to be somebody who start a business and is very inconsistent. You're going to lose your audience that way. You're going to lose a lot of customers. Before you start a business, take these 5 steps. 1, praying for clarity. 2, deciding your why. And 3, stability. 4, do you have support? And then 5, do you have time? If you believe that after following all of these steps that you are ready to start your business, then what are you waiting for, sis? Start your business. Yes. If you don't believe that you're in a place where you can start your business right now, just consider this your research phase. Don't worry about it. And when that time comes where you're able to start your business, all you have to do is just hit that start button and you can get it popping. I'm so happy for you guys. If you're watching this video and you're about to start your business, congratulations to you. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy that you're taking that next step into entrepreneurship. And make sure you comment below if this impacted you in any type of way, or if you're about to start your business. And if you are about to start your business or thinking about the type of business that you want to start, comment down below. Let me know what it is. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That's all I'm asking, okay?
Life ain't all about the money, but it feels so good